Welcome to our family YouTube channel. This is our birds. We have 22 turkeys. You can also see they are in a paddock. They cannot escape. We also have 9 guineas. There are about 23 of them, and 14 of them we gave to our family and friends on Christmas Day. You can also see chickens as well. We only have about 8 of them at the moment. And we also have ducks, and ducks we have 25. We will show you also Mimbiri, pigs, rabbits in our next video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment if you want us to answer any questions.